Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices so transfers work fast. On your phone, open Settings, enable Nearby Share and set visibility. On the laptop, open the System Sharing panel and enable Nearby Share too. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on, because Nearby Share uses both for discovery and transfer. Once done, pick the file on your phone, photo, PDF, or folder, and tap Share. Choose Nearby Share from the share sheet, so the phone starts scanning for nearby receivers. Once your laptop appears, select its name. You'll see a connection prompt on the receiving machine. On the laptop, accept the incoming request. The devices may negotiate the fastest transport, Wi-Fi direct, Bluetooth, or WebRTC over Internet, so transfers go quickly and securely. While the file moves, a progress indicator shows % completed. If you're sending multiple items, the queue runs sequentially. Make sure to choose a save location if prompted, and keep the devices awake until the transfer finishes. To finish, accept and save the file on the laptop, then open it to verify integrity. Once complete, set visibility back to hidden for privacy. If you need to send more, group files into a folder and share that same way to speed the process. If the laptop doesn't appear, first toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices, then turn Nearby Share off and on. Restarting the phone or laptop sharing service usually fixes discovery issues. Try that before changing accounts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.